Wow.
Oh my
Holy
god.
shit.
That was gnarly.
Oh, that was really scary.
We should call your dad. I wonder if the house is okay.
Oh my.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out if the road was messed up, and then I realized other cars were doing it too.
Yeah. And then I'm looking over there, and it's
That was really
that
weird.
was intense.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Wow.
Holy cow.
That was worse than this morning. That was
Maybe we aren't going home.
Like, do you feel my car?
Yes, and
Yeah, I couldn't figure out what it was.
I thought it was the road.
Well, I thought maybe it had a blow up, but I'm like, I don't hear it.
Oh, I think it's shaking a little bit again. It's shaking again.
Oh, you know what? Let's get away from these power lines. We're still shaking. It's like a minute and a half. Holy shit.
Wow.
Look at that, all that dust.